Hello student, continues this lecture for the gland and structure of the function is the secretion of from the posterior lobe of the pituitary gland, thyroid gland, isthmus gland, adrenal gland, islands of Langerhans. So this type of the glands we are going to study it. When this type of the glands they are work all together with the secretion of their hormones, and this ADH hormone, that is antidiuretic hormones, it stimulates the reabsorption of water by the renal tubules, and the hyposecretion of this hormone can result in diabetes in the insipidus. The secretion from the posterior lobe of pituitary gland is, that is oxytocin. It stimulates the uterus to contract during labor, delivery, and parturitions. A synthetic version of this hormone used to induce labor is called the pitocin, and it is also stimulates the mammary glands to release the milk. Okay, so this secretion of pineal gland is we are going to see this type of the pineal glands. You can see very small microscopic pineal glands, they are present in the cerebral cortex, suprachiasmatic nucleus, optic chiasma, pituitary आणि hypothalamus. ओके, तर पिनियल ग्लँड्स म्हणजे काय, तर मेलाटोनिन्स मीन्स इट कम्युनिकेट्स इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट environmental lighting to various parts of the body, has some effect on sleep awake cycles and other biological events connected to them, such as a lower production of gastric situations or gastric secretions at the time of night. The secretion from the pineal gland is, that is serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates the intestinal movements and affects appetite, mood, sleep, anger, and metabolism. The secretions of the thyroid gland is they are found in the below the neck regions, and it is one of the vital role in the metabolism and regulates the body metabolic process. The calcitonin, it is influences bone and calcium metabolism. It maintains a homeostasis of calcium in the blood plasma. Then the secretions of the thyroid gland is T4 hormone, that is thyroxines, and triiodothyronins, T3 hormone. It is essential to the body metabolic rates, that is basal metabolic rates, the rate at which a person body burns calories while rest. तुम्हाला माहीत आहे BMI, बॉडी मेटाबॉलिक इंडेक्स किंवा बेसल मेटाबॉलिक रेट्स आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये जे असते त्याला सिक्रेशन करण्याचं काम या थायरॉइड ग्लँड्स आहे. सिक्रेशन्स म्हणजे काय, तर स्टिम्युलेट्स होणे किंवा त्याला सिंथेसिस होणे, त्यावेळेस आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये आपली बॉडी चांगल्या प्रकारे वर्क करते. स्पेसिफिक प्रत्येक ग्लँडचं ते वर्क आहे. नंतर secretion of the parathyroid gland, it is two pairs of parathyroid glands are located on the basal or it is located on the dorsal or back sides of the thyroid gland. They secrete parathyroid, which plays a role in the metabolism of phosphorus. Too little results in cramping, too much results in osteoporosis or kidney stones. Then this is islands of Langerhans glands. They are also one of the important for the small clusters of cells located in the pancreatic glands or pancreas. And this islands secretion is the alpha cell, beta cells, and gamma cells, and they break down of the glycogens or to glucose, and this elevate the blood sugars. The delta cell surprises the release of glucagon and insulin. The beta cell secretes the hormone insulin, which is essential for the maintenance of normal blood sugar levels. Inadequate levels results in diabetes, that is mellitus. Then adrenal gland. The triangular shaped adrenal glands are located on the tap of each kidney. The inside is called the medulla and the outside layer is called the cortex. The secretion from the adrenal cortex is, it regulates the carbohydrate, proteins and fat metabolism. It has an anti-inflammatory effect, helps the body cope during times of the stress. The hypersecretion results in Addison's disease. Hypersecretion results in Cushing's disease. The secretions of the secretion from the adrenal cortex is essential in regulating the electrolyte and water balance by promoting sodium chloride retention and potassium excretion. Androgens, it is several hormones including testosterone. They promote the development of secondary sex characteristics in the male. The secretion from the adrenal medulla is, dopamine is used to treat the shock. It dilates the arteries, elevates systolic blood pressure and increases the cardiac output and increases urinary output. The secretion from the adrenal medulla is, it is also called as the adrenaline. It elevates the systolic blood pressure and it increases heart rate and cardiac output, speeds up the release of glucose from the liver and giving a spurt of energy, dilates the branchial tubes and relaxes airways and dilates the pupils to see more clearly. It is often used to contract an allergic reaction. Secretion from the adrenal medulla, it is one of the epinephrine and it is released when the body is under stress. Then the secretions of the ovary is, म्हणजे गर्भाशय जे आहेत ओव्हरीज, तर त्याचं सिक्रेशन काय आहे, तर इस्ट्रोजन हार्मोन्स आणि प्रोजेस्टेरॉन्स याला प्रोडक्शन करण्याचं काम, त्याला आपण ओव्हरीज म्हणतो. टेस्टीजचं पण तशाच प्रकारे आहे. टेस्टीजमध्ये टेस्टोस्टेरॉन असते हार्मोन्स. अशा प्रकारचे गॅस्ट्रोइंटेस्टायनल म्युकोसा आहे, थायमस ग्लँड आहे. ओके.
पॉज केली